Have you ever purchased a wonderful wig and realized that the wig cap was bigger than your head? Or for some reason, your head grew smaller or the cap grew bigger for whatever reason. If your wig cap is bigger than your head, you do not have to throw away the wig. You do not have to give it out. There's a way you can reduce the size of the wig, and I'll be showing us how to do that in today's video. All you just need your needle and your thread, preferably black. I use the black thread for this video. So you want to start by turning the wig cap inside out so you can have the cap facing you and you can see what you're trying to reduce. I'm reducing mine because my wig vendor made this wig when I had my dreadlocks, and my dreadlocks were full and quite long, like shoulder length. So it was always an issue trying to stuff my wigs under my wig cap. So when she made this, she made the cap to be quite big so it could take in my dreadlocks. But having taken out my dreadlocks now, it's an issue because when I wear this wig on my regular hair, there's always space, and I'm just trying to avoid that, and that's why I'll be reducing my wig cap. So you start by threading your needle, and it's best to use a short thread. Do not use something too long that you end up untangling knots, and it just keeps getting in your way. So it's safer to just use little thread, and when it stops halfway, you can thread the needle again. Before you start, you want to make sure that your thread is knotted so it doesn't loosen. And when you begin, you put the needle into the cap, but do not pull it all the way out. You just put it into the cap halfway, and then you loop the thread over and behind the needle, and then you pull it all the way. You have to be careful when doing this. If the thread that you put in the needle is quite long, I experienced that difficulty, and that's why I advised you do not make it very long when you're threading the needle. So when I was done with the first line, I had to test the cap on my head because I did not want it to be too small and too tight so as not to get headaches. I just wanted it to be perfect on my head. When I did the first line, I found out that it was still big, and so I had to continue. So I'm going to advise, when you're doing this, do not just go all the way and end up having a smaller wig cap. You should test it along the way while you're reducing it so you end up with a perfect size. And this is what we have now. So it's much better now. It fits perfectly on my head, and as you can see, this is me sitting pretty with my wig. So guys, ladies, this is what you can do to reduce your wig cap size. If you've tried this before, or if you'll be trying this, please let me know in the comment section below. How did it go? How was the process? Just let me know. Drop your questions, drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already done so, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I drop a new content. Also, do not forget to hit the like button. It helps me a lot. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more content. Bye.